Vodafone eSIM is becoming a popular option for international travelers, but before you go ahead and buy it, there are some things you need to know. Stick around to the end of the video, because we'll also suggest a better option that you can try for free. First, eSIM is an embedded SIM card technology, so you don't need to physically swap out SIM cards when traveling internationally. This can save you time and hassle when switching between carriers or countries. Next thing, Vodafone's eSIM plan works in over 100 countries, which is great for global coverage, but keep in mind that some areas might have limited service or slower speeds compared to local networks. Competitors like Airalo or Nomad often provide more flexibility with carrier selection for specific countries. The third thing to note is Vodafone's eSIM pricing. Depending on the country and your data needs, their international roaming rates can add up quickly. They offer bundles, but they're generally not as affordable as some competitors' data packs, like those from Holafly or eSIM.net. Now the fourth thing, activating the Vodafone eSIM. You'll need a compatible phone, and activation is done through scanning a QR code you get from Vodafone. While the process is simple, it might take a few minutes, and it's important to check your device's compatibility before you buy. Other eSIM providers like Airalo also use QR codes, but offer faster, more seamless setup on a wider variety of devices. The fifth thing you should know is data speeds. Vodafone generally offers good speeds in major cities around the world, but speeds can drop in rural areas. Competitors like Skyroam tend to offer more consistent service in remote regions. Next thing, customer support. Vodafone has solid customer service, but it can be difficult to get immediate help with eSIM-related issues, especially when traveling. Other services like Nomad offer 24/7 support via chat or email, which can be more convenient when you're on the go. The seventh thing to consider is the duration of your eSIM plan. Vodafone typically offers short-term plans, which can be limiting if you're traveling for an extended period. In contrast, other providers like GigSky have longer plans that may work better for longer trips. The eighth thing is coverage in specific countries. While Vodafone's global reach is vast, some regions might offer limited coverage or higher costs compared to providers like Airalo, which has specialized plans for certain countries like Japan or South Korea. Next up, ease of management. Vodafone's eSIM is manageable through their app, but it can be tricky to navigate, especially if you're not familiar with their interface. Some competitors, like Holafly, provide apps that are more user-friendly, making it easier to switch plans or check data usage on the go. The 10th thing to know is that Vodafone offers both data-only and voice data options. However, if you need voice services, their options can be more expensive than competitors. Providers like eSIM.net specialize in budget-friendly voice and data solutions for international travelers. The 11th thing is the flexibility to switch between plans. Vodafone allows you to switch plans while traveling, but you're locked into their pricing structure. Some competitors give you more flexibility with on-the-fly plan adjustments and even pay-as-you-go options for more control over costs. Finally, the 12th thing, customer reviews. Vodafone is a trusted provider, but many travelers report occasional issues with connection drops or high data prices. Competitors like Nomad or Airalo often get higher ratings for value, user experience, and ease of use. So, while Vodafone eSIM is a solid choice for international travel, if you're looking for better pricing, easier management, and more flexible coverage, there's a better option available. Check out our recommended solution that you can try for free to see how it compares.